in the Valley Auto Mall today.
Come test drive the 2015 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power driver's seat, heated seats, power sunroof, backup camera, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, alloy wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.